our barn, our bank barn, circa 2017. It needed some love. It hadn't been really repainted in years and years. You can see where the barn vents were falling apart. We were down to the wood in some spaces. You can see how they used to be a green instead of the black that they are now. And just general repairs needed all over it. Even the warping there on the sides that you can see on the side of the barn. So that summer, we got countless gallons of Sherwin-Williams alpaca. That's the color we painted it. Scraped all the old paint off. That was a monumental job, as you can see, and started painting it um, just to get it saved, and of course to look better too. But just a great crew came in and took care of that. And you can see how quickly it seems they got it all done. But it wasn't just the painting, although you can see, look how much prettier it is. You can really see the lines of it. And we made a point of doing the detailing with the black. And the barn vents were repaired. And look at these details that I hadn't even noticed before it was fixed. And you can see here where we've repainted them, but you see the blank vents. We found some old vents here, just here on the property that one of our dealers had brought in. And so one by one we went through and replaced them. So when you're here next time, take a look. You'll see that they're not all exactly the same. But there's our barn looking so much better.